Let's learn about conditional formatting in Power BI. With conditional formatting in Excel, we can color code any cell based on the values, and also we can have icons based on the values. So let's see how it works in Power BI. Also, along with that, let's also see how we can quickly copy a table from Excel and load it into Power BI and start using it. So I have this small table which I want to analyze or create a visual in Power BI. So what I can do for quick thing is I can copy this. I go to the Open Power BI report and I'll click on this icon where it says create a new table by typing or pasting in new content. I do that and I click on the top left and I hit paste. So here's the entire data I wanted. If I want, I can give the name upskill, that's fine, and I say load. So this way the entire data is loaded and I have the table here to work with. All right, so I'm gonna pull in a simple table. I'm gonna pull in the product, the source, the plan, and the actual. And to analyze it further, let me add a column. So I'll say new column. I'll say it as variance is equal to plan, upskill plan minus actual. So upskill actual, that's fine. And now I can add it as well. So here's my table. Alright, so this is my table. And what I want to do is I want to do some conditional formatting on the variance in the variance column. So whenever the variance is positive, I want to highlight it as green text. If it is negative, I would like to change it to red. So how I do that? So I select the table, I go to the formatting options and I go to cell elements. Now I want to apply this on variance, so I choose the variance as a series and I want to change the font color, so I switch this on. Already Excel has given me some formatting, not up to the mark, sorry, Power BI. Now I switch on, I click on the FX option and I get this box. Now I want my format to be based on rules. I want to be applied to values only. This is fine, and what I'm going to do here is put some rules. So anything less than 0 I would want it to be red, anything which is exactly 0 yellow, and anything which is greater than 0 is green. So I start off with, okay, so greater than, equal to, I would say minimum. I don't want percent, I want number. So anything which is greater than or equal to the minimum number and less than 0 number, I would want it to be some kind of red. A new rule, if the value is exactly equal to 0 number, then I want it yellow. Let me take something this is fine. I want another rule. Now if the value is greater than 0 number and less than the max number, then I want it to be green, so I choose any shade of green, and that's how it is. I click OK, and there you see. So all the numbers that I have are now formatted. Anything which is negative is red in color, anything which is greater than 0 is green, and anything which is equal to 0 is in amber or yellow color. Now if I want to include also icons to it, I can go again, I can go here the same way, cell elements. This time I would click on icons It's already done. No. So let me change the rules. So rules, based on rules, values only. Where do you want the icon? On the left side, icon alignment is on top, and these are the styles. So I can choose any one of these styles. Let me choose this one. Okay, so again it says if greater than equal to minimum number and less than 0 number, then it is red. If the value is if the value is equal to 0 number, then the sideways arrow, and if the value is greater than 0 number and less than or equal to max number, then it is this. So that's it. So you've got a downwards arrow for anything which is negative, a sideways arrow if the plan is equal to actual, and an upward arrow if the plan is more than actual. So you can decide based on the rules which kind of arrows or color code you want. So this example is showing for expense, so lesser the better. So if your plan is like $21,700 and you're spending more, then it's bad. So that's the reason you have the negative number and with red color and the downwards arrow. Hope that helps.